Writing books in bulk is a numbers game in which you are figuring out how many words you need to produce within a certain amount of time in order to finish your book within a certain amount of time. So the way that you start with this numbers game and figuring out how you can produce books at a very easy, rapid pace is you identify how long your book is going to be. So have a word count range going into writing the book. So some people have a word count range from 10 to 15,000 words. Other people have a word count range that's a little less, from 5 to 10,000. It all depends on what type of book you are writing and how long you want it to be. So setting that range is the first step to knowing the math behind being able to write all these books in bulk. So after you have this number down, what you do then is you need to figure out how many words you can type per minute. And this matters because if, let's say, you want to type a 8,000 word book, well, how long is it going to take for you to write that book? You can't figure that out unless you know your average words per minute. So let's say, for instance, you type at a rate of 40 words per minute. So every hour, if you are able to keep that pace, you write 2,400 words because 40 times 60 is 2,400. And in order to finish an 8,000 word book, you would have to invest approximately 4 hours of your time in order to complete that book. So that's the basic overview of how you would use the math to determine how many books you can write and how long it will take for you to finish writing a book of a certain word length.